Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, peeps.
This is Diane Breaux, your friendly pickle lady.
I'm Randall. I'm her sidekick.
Here he is.
Gherkin, skunk pig.
We are,
I am those things.
well, I don't know about that, but we are your friendly local husband and wife real estate team. And something we want to talk to you, it happened to us recently on a closing, is about cleaning tile in your home.
Yeah, so this particular home had the kind of tile that looks so much like wood.
Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful floors. They were done with a polish that made them shine.
Yes.
And some people like a glossy finish. Some people like a matte finish. These folks, I guess, really liked a gloss finish, and they were using a certain cleaning product to get that look.
To make it look like polished
Yeah.
wood, even though it was tile.
Even though it was tile.
So the important thing was, when we went to go do the walkthrough, they had a cleaning service come and clean the home. Well, they used
a different product.
They used the wrong product.
Yeah.
And guess what? It stripped it. It looked horrible.
Horrible.
So a very bad feeling to walk in and see.
Yeah, this was the walkthrough. So this is the day before closing. And it just looked like all the floors had been destroyed.
Yeah,
I mean,
instead of having
really, really bad.
that beautiful shine and patina, it was like some parts were still glossy and some parts looked really weathered and stripped.
Yeah.
And so it's important when you have tile floors, use the proper products on the tile floors. If you deviate, if you use something that's really not meant for tile, number one, it can destroy the tile. And number two, it can be like what would happen to us. And then you have to figure out, how do I do this? So our folks, luckily, did not destroy the color of the tile.
No, it didn't. They were evidently the product they had been using had wax or something in it. And then when they changed products, that's what you saw on the floor. They were able to strip it all off, start over.
But what he had to do was strip it all off.
Yeah, to strip it all off.
Very labor intensive.
Yeah.
And then they decided, we don't ever want that shine again. We don't care.
Yeah.
It's tile is tile is tile.
Yeah.
So be very wary when you're starting to put products on your tile floor. It can really do some crazy damage.
Yeah, particularly if you're using a product that's intended to make the floor look different. In this particular case, look glossier than it really is.
Yes.
Now, if they had told the cleaning crew which product to use,
it would have been fine.
You know, they would have been fine. We would have closed. Of course, our buyers, the first time they went to clean the floors, they would have been stuck with it. But you know, this is the story of something happening right before close.
You don't want to have any surprises.
You don't want to have any surprises. Let's say you're having a dinner party.
Yeah.
And you decide that you're going to mop the floors so they look really, really good, and you change products.
Yep.
Wrong. That's the wrong time to try a different product. Stay with the same product.
Always check with the flooring company and say, what can I use for my tile? Now, if we get a problem, call us. We have found a great company recently, Thompson Steaming. They can come in and clean all that tile for you if you run into this problem.
Yeah.
And they can make it look great.
Yeah.
They are amazing.
Yes.
Even on engineered wood flooring.
Yes, they did a great job for us.
And
for
really,
a client with engineered wood floors.
Yeah. So there are ways to get around it, but you know, just not try to avoid that problem in the first place.
Yeah.
And then you don't have
Try
a big...
to use the right product.
That's right.
If you're using some crazy product, be careful when you switch to something else.
You got it.
That's our basic tip.
Or you can be like us. We just don't really mop or do anything. We're pretty
just
chill.
Kind of use water.
Yeah, we're pretty chill. We're like, whatever.
We don't do too much.
It looks good enough.
Yeah,
it looks good enough. But anyway, so we just wanted to share that tip with you. Be super careful, because sometimes the damage can't be undone.
Yeah.
And then you got a much bigger problem. So we just wanted to share, you know, one of our experiences and let you know. And anyway, so if you are looking for any tips, advice, if you're coming in to look at a home, feel free to reach out to us at...
You can find us at pickle411.com, whether you're a buyer, seller, or somewhere in between. You find something there that will amaze, astound, educate, inform.
Yep.
Astound. ... A lot of things to you.
Ditto, ditto, ditto.
Yeah, and of course you'll find us there.
That's right. And we'll have fun. So anyway, hope that you're having a fantastic day like we are today. And we look forward to seeing you next video. Take care. Bye.
Bye.